Frozen water pipes can be an unexpected frustration for people during this cold weather. KOAM Shagun Bamidele spoke to some experts on how to keep the pipes warm.
As the temperature drops, it becomes even important to make sure the pipes in your home or businesses are well insulated. You should also be prepared to turn off the water.
Know the location of your water shutoff valve in your home or business. That way, if the pipes do burst, you can shut the water off immediately and minimize damage.
Bernard says frozen pipes are inconvenient.
If you think about just even going 24 hours without water service, that's an inconvenience to a lot of people. So we do our part to make sure that we're providing that service.
One insurance agent says it can be costly to fix a damage from busted pipes.
The average water damage loss is around $11,000, so it can be pretty substantial. So, the first thing I'd recommend doing is go out and shut the water off at the water main, and then contact a plumber, have them come assess any damage.
And not every insurance plan covers the same thing.
A homeowner's policy is going to pay for damages due to a frozen pipe. It covers sudden, unexpected, accidental, disbursements of water. Just so long as the insured takes reasonable measures to prevent that from happening.
Reporting in Joplin, Shagun Bamidele, KOAM News.
You'll remember from school science class, the water does expand as it freezes. That expansion puts the pressure on whatever's containing it, metal, plastic pipes, and that's what causes those pipes to burst.